Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hummus Lebanese style. Start by soaking chickpeas overnight or substitute canned chickpeas to save time. Peel skins if you want an extra silky texture and boil until very tender. Blend chickpeas with tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and cold water or reserved cooking liquid until smooth. Adjust salt and olive oil to taste, then plate and garnish with paprika and more olive oil. Begin by cooking chickpeas until they are very soft and nearly falling apart, which helps achieve a velvety hummus. Cool slightly and peel if you prefer a super smooth finish, though it is optional. Transfer chickpeas to a food processor and add tahini, lemon juice, crushed garlic, and salt. Pulse while slowly drizzling in reserved cooking liquid or water until the mixture reaches a creamy texture that spreads easily on bread or plates. Taste and adjust your hummus by balancing tahini richness with fresh lemon juice, and add salt to bring flavors forward. A pinch of ground cumin or a little ice water can refine texture and flavor without overpowering the dish. For serving, spoon hummus into a shallow well, create a swirl, drizzle with good olive oil, sprinkle paprika, and scatter chopped parsley or toasted pine nuts for contrast. Serve with pita or fresh vegetables for dipping.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.